Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove gamma watermark. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is simply open up your gamma on your browser, and right afterwards you will be finding this kind of interface. Now it is actually really easy. It just takes one tab, but it does require for you to simply purchase the premium. For example, if this is the a file that I would like to import and I would like to simply go with this one, I will have to simply get the premium one for me to export it or download it without the watermark, because that is simply the policy by the gamma itself. So as I mentioned, you'll have to go back and you'll have to go ahead and purchase the premium of simply gamma. You can see over here at the bottom, you can see upgrade to gamma, and right over here you will find this kind of interface. You can see upgrade to pro. Now even if you go back and even if you try with another file, whatever file you have created, if you have multiple ones, even if you still go here and go to this export section, you will have to see this option of made with gamma badge plus. And if you simply would like to do that, you simply have to purchase this particular plus. You have to upgrade it to the plus or the pro. If you don't do that, you will have the watermark on it. There's no other solution for it, and that's what you got to do. So hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.